Polymeric sand can work for narrow joints, but it is not a reliable standalone fix for large or deep cracks in concrete sidewalks. For cracks wider than about 1/4 inch or deeper than 1 inch, we recommend a two-step approach that starts by filling most of the void with an inert filler such as a closed-cell backer rod or compacted coarse sand to create a stable base and limit how much polymeric material you need to place at the surface. After the filler is installed, sweep or pour polymeric sand only into the top portion of the crack up to the manufacturer recommended depth, so the sand can compact and set properly when activated with water. If the crack is extremely deep or the edges are deteriorated, use a concrete patching compound or a cementitious repair mortar to rebuild a sound edge before adding polymeric sand for joint stabilization. Work in dry weather and follow full cure times. Do not apply polymeric sand if rain is expected within 24 hours, because premature moisture prevents proper polymerization. For best adhesion and longevity, clean the crack of dust, roots, and loose material with a wire brush and compressed air or a shop vacuum before filling. Wear gloves and eye protection when handling polymeric sand, and read the product label for specific water application instructions, because too much or too little water will cause weak bonds or washout. The most common mistake is trying to fill a wide or deep crack directly with polymeric sand, which leads to settling and washout. Fix this by first packing the crack with backer rod or compacted sand to the appropriate height, and then adding polymeric sand only at the top. Another frequent issue is applying polymeric sand to wet or dirty cracks, which prevents bonding. Clean and fully dry the crack before installation and wait for an extended dry window. People also pour polymeric sand too deep or over-compact it, which can cause poor curing and surface powdering. Follow the product depth guidelines and avoid tamping the sand down aggressively. Instead, use a gentle brooming and light compaction if recommended. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical project guidance that helps decide between filler, polymeric sand, or concrete repair. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange first-hand tips, ask specific questions, and share photos so we can all learn from real project experiences.